Hey collectors, here is a look at the Gold Label 1989 Batman and Batmobile box set from Mcfarlane Toys, and I would like to thank Matt's Box for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. When you open the box, you'll find that the Batmobile is wrapped in plastic, just like the one they did with the Flash movie version. And then there is this carton. This was made to protect the vehicle from being flattened during shipping. But when you flip it, you will see that they just inserted the 1989 figure between this carton. So before you go back to the store and complain that the figure was not included or missing, check this part first of the packaging. And here is what the package contains. The 1989 Michael Keaton Batman figure, which of course has again the neck joint, but at least we get a cloth cape, an action figure stand, and the left and right fin for the vehicle. If this figure was made during the late 1990s or early 2000, I would have been very proud of what McFarlane did. But it's 2023, and as the other toy companies are pushing for accuracy in appearance, McFarlane Toys made another boo-boo and put a neck articulation where it clearly doesn't need one. What his toy line needs are cloth cape for those characters in the DC multiverse that has capes. And even if this figure is fully posable and represents the details for the 1989 Batsuit, the height is also incorrect for the character. And now it's comparison time. The one on the right is from the 6-pack box set, and the one on the left is from the Gold Label 2-pack figure and vehicle. The only difference between these two figures are the colors of the chest emblem. The one on the 6-pack has a yellow color on the oval, while the Gold Label with vehicle has a more goldish color. Other than that, both of these figures are the same. And even the paint application on their eyes and on the skin is almost identical. Similar to the 6-pack, the Gold Label version of the 1989 Batman figure can hold a pose on its own without the aid of any action figure stand. But again, I am not suggesting you leaving it on some action poses on your display, because a little nudge and this figure will fall down. So be very careful, and again, a small reminder, heat up the joints before you go on and posing them. For now, I am waiting for some customizers to make this cowl a whole one piece. And for size comparison, here he is with the Justice League Superman from Mafex and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit, with Raphael and Leo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoon series, Turtles in Disguise box set by NECA. with Steel Wheel from Silverhawks and Cobra Commander from the G.I. Joe cartoon series, both by Super 7. And with the sonar suit of Val Kilmer from Batman Forever film, and the Panther suit with George Clooney from Batman and Robin, both by Mcfarlane Toys. And now we go to the 1989 Batmobile version 2 from Mcfarlane Toys, and this time around they got the colors right, or should I say matching. For the wheels, they have a silver color in the interior, and the canopy this time matches the whole car. But still with this version, we don't have any additional features like the guns that comes out from this panel, and we still have the Kenner sickness of having one-seater for a two-seater vehicle. I'd rather lose all those details of paint just to have a two-seater vehicle for this Batman 1989 car. And still, I don't consider this for a 7-inch figure. I'm still have this itch to have it customized to accommodate two 6-inch figures. And here are other figures with different scale besides the 1989 Batmobile. First off, we've got Bruce Wayne expression pack from Batman the animated series 6-inch figure, which fits perfectly inside. And then we have Buzz Lightyear from Bandai Model Kit, Mikey from NECA, and Boba Fett from Star Wars 40th Anniversary by Hasbro. And each of these figures can fit inside this 7-inch vehicle from Mcfarlane Toys. So, to answer the question, if you have the box set version of the 1989 Batsuit and the first release of the 1989 Batmobile, which is from the Flash movie, do you still have to get this Gold Label box set? For me, the answer is no. Those two are good enough for your collection. If you just want to get the corrected paint job for the vehicle, then might as well just do it yourself or have it customized. But you could get other figures rather than spend it on this Gold Label version, which is for me another reissue for Mcfarlane Toys. And with that, thank you all for watching, and see you all again next video.